Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start next exercise of chapter 2 polynomial. Now exercise number 2.5. Before that we have completed our 4 exercises. So in exercise 2.5, see question number 1. In question number 1, use suitable identity to find the following product. So in this case, first part we have given x plus 4 and x plus 10. So here we can use this identity x plus a and x plus b. So according to this identity, its formula will be equals to x square plus a plus b x and plus ab. So with the help of this formula or this identity, we can put this value of a and b here. So here according to identity, x plus a x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab, where a equals to 4 and b equals to 10. So putting value of a and b, it will be equals to x square plus 4 plus 10x plus 4 into 10. So it will be x square plus 14x plus 40. So in this way or in the same way we can do second part also. In second part also, x plus 8 x minus 10. So here value of a will be 8 and value of b minus 10. So by putting value of a and b in the same identity, that is x plus a x plus b, that is equals to x square plus a plus b x into and plus ab. Now so by putting its value, it will be equals to x square plus 8 minus 10 and into x minus 80, means 8 into minus 10, so it will become minus 80. So equation will become x square minus 2x minus 80. Now in third part, here third part we have given 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. In this we can use the same identity, that is x plus a x plus b equals to x square plus x plus a plus b into x plus ab, where value of x equals to 3x and value of b a equals to 4 and value of b equals to minus 5. So by putting value here in this, it will become 3x square plus 4 plus minus 5 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. So it will be 9x square plus 3x into 4 minus 5 minus 20. So by solving it, it will be 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So this is the answer. Now after this, see its fourth part. In fourth part we have y square plus 3 upon 2 into y square minus 3 upon 2. So here also one more identity is there. So in this we can use the identity x plus y and x minus y, that is equals to x square minus y square, where x equals to y square and y equals to 3 upon 2. By putting its value, so on place of y square, here we can put here y square, so it is y square plus 3 upon 2 and y square minus 3 upon 2. So it will become y square whole square minus 3 upon 2 whole square. So it will be equals to y power 4 minus 9 upon 4. So in the same way you can do remaining parts also. Now question number 2, here evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. So without multiplying directly means here we have to use identity. So in first part we have given 103 into 107. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3, and in the same way 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Now with the help of this we can solve it. So it is equal to 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. So using the same identity, x plus a and x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now where value of x equals to 100 and value of a equals to 3, value of b equals to 7. Now by putting its value, 103 into 107 equals to 100, 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. So by solving it, 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. So it will be 10,000 plus 1000 plus 21. Now 11,021. So answer will be 11,021. In this way we can do this question. Now after this, see its second part. In second part, 95 into 96. So 95 can be written as 100 minus 5 and 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. Now by using identity, x minus a, x minus b equals to x square minus a plus b x plus ab. Now in this, value of x equals to 100 and value of a equals to -5, value of b equals to -4. So here we get 95 into 96, that is 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. Now solving it by using identity, that is 100 square plus 100 into -5 plus -4 and plus -5 into -4. So by solving it will be 10,000 minus 900 plus 20. So answer will be 9120. So in this way we can solve this question. Now after this, see next question. Now question number 3. In question number 3 we have given, so here we have given factorize the following using appropriate identity. So here also we have to use appropriate identity for solving it. So in first case we have 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So here 9x square plus 6xy plus y square, that is we can write here on place of 9x square we can write 3x whole square, and minus 6xy can be written as here 2 into 3x into y and plus y square. So this will become an identity, that is x plus y whole square, where value of x is 3x and value of y is y. So in this, by using the same identity, it will be 3x plus y whole square. So in the same way we can put value. So by using value, this identity will become 3x whole square plus 2 into 3xy plus y square. So it will become 3x plus y square, that is 3x plus y and into 3x plus y. So in this way we can solve this question by using identity. Now in second case we have 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So here also we can use identity. On place of 4y square we can write 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 and plus 1. Now using identity, the same identity is there, x square minus 2xy plus y square plus, it will become x minus y whole square. So x minus y whole square, where x equals to 2y and y equals to 1. So in this case value of x is 2y and value of y is 1. So here by putting value, it will be equals to 4y square minus 4y plus 1 equals to 2y square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 square. So in this it will be 2y minus 1 whole square. So we can write it 2 times, 2y minus 1 and 2y minus 1. Now after this, seeds third part. In third part, x square minus y square upon 100. So first of all we can write it in this form, x square minus y upon 10 whole square. So using identity, x square minus y square, x minus y, x plus y. So value of x is x and here on place of y it is y upon 10. So by putting x square minus y square upon 100, that is x square minus y upon 10 whole square. So we can write it 2 times, that is x minus y upon 10 and x plus y upon 10. So this will be the answer. So in this way we can do this question. Now remaining part you can try yourself. Now see question number 4. In question number 4, expand each of the following using suitable identities. So in this first part we have given x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So by using this identity in first part, we have x plus y plus z whole square, that is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, where x equals to x, y equals to 2y and z equals to 4z. From here we can compare them. Now putting value, on place of x we will write x, on place of y we will put 2y, on place of z we will put 4z. So by putting its value, its answer will be x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. So in this way we can do this question. Now in the same way second part is also. So here also we will use same identity. By using same identity, here value of x will be 2x, value of y minus y, value of z will be z. Now by putting this value, 2x minus y plus z whole square, it will be 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z square. So here it will be 2 into 2x into minus y, 2x minus y into y, here 2 into z into 2x. Now after this answer will be 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. So in this way you can do this question. Similarly you can also try this third part also. In third part, here on place of x it is equals to minus 2x, on place of y 3y, and on place of z it is 2z. Now by putting these value in the given identity we can solve this question. So by putting these value, your answer will be equals to 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 12xy plus 12yz minus 8xz. So in this way you can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So in next question, question number 5. So here factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So in this first part you can use this identity, same identity, that is x plus y plus z whole square. This is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now here we can say that by using this identity, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, that is equals to x plus y plus z whole square. Now when we will open its value, so by opening its value it will become 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz, that is equals to this. And by solving it, answer will be equals to 2xy means 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square. So we will write it 2 times. In the same way you have to try this second part also. In this second part also you have to use same identity and you can find answer in this way. Now see question number 6. In question number 6 we have write the following cube in expanded form. So by using this identity, first we have 2x plus 1 whole cube. So by using identity x plus y whole cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So by putting value here, 2x plus 1 whole cube, that is 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 and 2x plus 1. Now by solving it, it will be 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x in bracket 2x plus 1. Now by solving it, 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this will be the answer. Now in the same way, see its second part, third part. So all these parts are also same. So you have to try these questions. So today we will do up to here. Now remaining question of this exercise we will do on next session. So today it's your homework. You have to do this exercise up to question number 6. Now remaining question, that is from question number 7 to 16, we will try on next turn. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day to all.